Welcome back to Homespot. Are you looking to transform your boring outdoor walls into a beautiful rustic oasis? Today, we are diving into incredibly easy and totally stunning garden wall art ideas using just simple twigs and natural twine. Get ready to elevate your backyard aesthetics with these brilliant, budget-friendly DIY craft projects. Let's get started. Bring a touch of bohemian charm to your backyard with this gorgeous woven tapestry. Using straight branches as a horizontal base, securely knot thick rustic twine to lash them together. The resulting raft pattern creates a highly textured, earthy masterpiece that beautifully complements climbing vines and blooming flowers along your favorite wooden garden privacy fence. Personalize your outdoor sanctuary by crafting large monogram letters from sturdy garden twigs. Spell out family initials or joyful words, tightly wrapping the joints with decorative twine to keep the branches secure. These charming organic signs provide a wonderful customized touch, instantly elevating the cozy atmosphere of your exterior walls or garden seating areas. Add a touch of mystical beauty to your garden with a handmade natural dream catcher. Carefully bend a flexible green branch into a large circular hoop. Then weave an intricate web of fine twine within it. Let extra strings drape downwards, catching the gentle breeze and creating a soothing, peaceful focal point for your outdoor retreat. Craft a truly unique outdoor painting surface by binding twigs together to create a flat wooden canvas. Secure them tightly with vertical strings of twine. Then paint a stark white silhouette of a graceful bird directly onto the textured bark. This beautiful contrast between natural wood and crisp paint produces an incredibly charming artistic display. Embrace relaxed bohemian vibes by crafting a simple fringed macrame wall hanging. Use a single, beautifully textured thick branch as your anchor and suspend long, flowing strands of frayed natural twine downward. This effortlessly chic garden decoration catches the wind beautifully, bringing gentle movement and a highly fashionable earthy aesthetic to your brick exterior walls. Show your garden some love with a deeply romantic rustic heart wreath. Gently bend flexible vines and damp twigs into an organic heart shape, binding the stress points heavily with thick, visible knots of natural jute. Hanging this handmade piece on a garden gate instantly creates a warm, welcoming, and beautifully heartfelt entrance to your yard. Maximize your vertical garden space by building suspended floating twig shelves. Bind flat bundles of sturdy sticks together and hang them against your exterior wall using thick ropes of twine. These lightweight, rustic platforms serve as the perfect organic stage to proudly display your delicate air plants and tiny potted succulents outdoors. Capture the beautiful daylight with handmade rustic sun catcher frames. Build small shapes from bent twigs. Then weave a thin twine web across the center to hold colorful garden beads and faux sea glass. Suspended from tree branches, these vibrant hanging ornaments catch the light brilliantly, contrasting wonderfully with the rough bark and surrounding foliage. Showcase your favorite gardening memories with a charming twig photo board. Construct a large rectangular frame from thick branches and string taut lines of twine horizontally across the middle. Use miniature wooden clothespins to attach vintage botanical prints or old seed packets, creating a delightfully nostalgic gallery display right on your outdoor patio wall. Bring a deep sense of tranquility to your seating area with a rustic wall wind chime. Suspend varying lengths of thick, textured twigs vertically from a horizontal support branch using strong twine. As they hang flat against the wall, the gentle breeze makes them clink softly together, providing incredible visual appeal and soothing acoustic relaxation. Dress up a plain fence beautifully with an elegant twig and pine cone garland. Alternate small, crisscrossed bundles of sticks with natural brown pine cones, stringing them sequentially along a thick piece of hanging jute twine. This delightfully festive yet earthy decoration drapes gracefully across blank walls, adding instant charm and rich organic texture to your backyard. Add wonderful woodland whimsy to your tree trunks with a two-dimensional birdhouse facade. Cut and tie straight twigs together with fine string to form the flat front profile of a classic birdhouse, complete with a tiny perch and faux entrance. It is a highly clever, decorative illusion that brings immense charm to any beautiful floral garden. Introduce magical enchantment directly above your potted plants with a miniature fairy garden trellis. Build an incredibly detailed arched structure using fragile, thin twigs and microscopic twine knots. Pinned carefully against a brick wall, this delicate wooden feature allows tiny trailing vines to climb upwards, creating a captivating and whimsical focal point in your yard. That wraps up our beautiful twig and twine DIY projects. From rustic starbursts to woven tapestries, you now have plenty of inspiration to bring organic, handmade charm to your own garden walls. If you enjoyed these easy outdoor craft ideas, please hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more creative decor inspiration, and let me know your favorite idea in the comments below.